Let me take you to 1992 when London trembled. George Soros, he bet against the British pound and won, not in crores but in billions. In India, Helios Capital foresaw the 2020 crash. He made $1 billion in a single day. Not by luck, but by bold conviction. He didn't trade, he struck, and struck hard. Welcome to the world of hedge funds, where silence is a strategy and risk is an art. In this video, we decode the mystery. What are hedge funds? And how do you, sitting in India, get in? Watch till the end because there's a roadmap waiting for the relentless. Now, what is a hedge fund? Hedge funds aren't built for safety. They are engineered for performance. Think of them as a battlefield where every stock, every derivative is a soldier. And the fund manager? Well, a war general with no rules. If you see the table here, that is why there's a difference between a hedge fund and a mutual fund. Mutual funds go long, hedge funds go short. They bet on gold, they bet on oil, they bet on fear. They don't follow the market, they exploit it. Hence the name hedge fund. Part protection, part provocation. Let me take you to 1992 when London trembled. George Soros, he bet against the British pound and won, not in crores but in billions. In India, Helios Capital foresaw the 2020 crash. Marcellus focused on good governance and outperformed in hedge funds. Data isn't read, it's decoded. The markets don't speak, it whispers. If you listen deeply, it reveals everything. So how do I get into a hedge fund in India? I mean, let's be honest. Hedge funds don't post on Naukri.coms or IIMjobs portal. They hire a few and they hire well. Whom they hire? The IITians, the CA rank holders, the IIM grads, CFA level 3 qualified people, quants people, or rare outsider who prove their edge. What are the skills required? Valuation and modeling. Balance sheets must sing to you. Excel, Python, speed and automation. Market sense, the ability to read the chaos like a symphony. I mean, one of our students, in WallStreet school, he got rejected by multiple banks. He built a dummy portfolio, tracked it and sent it to a PMS. He got the job, not because of his degree, but because his calls worked. So what has to be your route? Start as an equity research or evaluations in a big four or a bulge bracket investment bank or a boutique investment bank. I mean, anywhere where there is hardcore finance role, not a KPO. And then gradually and eventually, once you get some more experience, move to a portfolio management services or a family office. Show track record, blogs, real returns, portfolio and network. Network quietly. Hedge fund jobs often come over coffee, not on job boards. Hedge funds want thinkers. If you can see what others can't, they will see. And how much you can earn being into hedge fund industry? Well, the pay is equal to performance. The juniors start at 10 to 20 lakhs per annum. Bonus? Well, sky is the limit. But remember, if your ideas bleed, you're just thrown out. It's brutal, it's brilliant, and it's not for everyone. But for some, it's home. In a world full of noise, hedge funds stay quiet. While others chase trends, they hunt the truth. They don't follow headlines, they write them. And if you've got the hunger, the skill, and the courage to think different, then maybe, just maybe, you are built for a hedge fund. For more information, visit www.thewallstreetschool.com or call us at 93550 57509.